I have a small tutorial for you on how to make a magic circle to start your crochet with. You have probably seen it 100 times before, but I still want to show you because it's part 1 of a series on how to avoid having to sew in so many ends, because I always use my hook, well, almost always use my hook to do so. So here we go. You wrap your thread around your finger twice. Nope. And then you take the loops off, keep it between your fingers, you get your hook and you pull the thread through the 2 circles, pull up the loop and finish your stitch. Now I crochet 2 chains to start, because this is the first stitch, the first double crochet, and now I'm going to crochet 2 more just to show you. So into the circle, should look a little bit like this. I'll come back in a minute. I've crocheted 12 double crochets in total, and what I do now is I keep my fingers on the last stitch so it won't unravel, and then I pull the end, and you see one of the 2 loops moving, and that's the one you need. So hold your work, keep it steady in between your fingers, and then you pull the loop, and then you see the other one getting smaller. Pull it really tight. Once it is, then you can pull the end again. See, now the hole is closed. Then I have a little trick. I use my hook to pull up the loop, the end through this stitch, and then also the next one, because I'm going to crochet it along. Now I'm going to finish with a slip stitch. I'm going to cut the thread and pull it through and pull it tight. You have a little knot. Okay, and in part 2 I will show you what to do next.